Now sharing the screen is going. Just listen to them. Bhavar Tiwari joining. In this poem, main thing is the introspection. What do you mean by introspection? Introspection means self-investigation. Try to know who actually you are. You are not what you look to be. You are different from what you look to be. That means the knowledge of knowing yourself, knowing ourselves is introspection. This is the main purpose of this poem. Know thyself, know yourself, who actually you are. Rigved said, Naham Dehi. I'm not the body. I'm different from the body. Who am I? Try to know this. Everybody is different from everybody. And creating a feeling of mutual understanding among human beings. Mutual understanding and coexistence can be only when we try to know ourselves. Who is this Nikhil Jat? Hello? You know Nikhil Jat? Okay. Now, purpose of the poem. We are stanza wise, we are discussing. Listen to. Now we will count to 12 and we will all keep still for once on the face of the earth. Let us not speak in any language. Let us stop for 1 second and not move our arms so much. It would be an exotic moment without us, without engines. We would all be together in a sudden stillness. Fishermen in the cold sea would not harm whales. And the man gathering salt would look at his hurt hands. Hurt means injured hands. Now listen to. The poet says that I will count to 12. 1, 2, 3, 11, 12. I will count. And we will all keep still. Keep still means keep quiet. During this time, short time of counting from 1 to 12, we shall observe silence. We shall not be, okay, we shall be keeping quiet. Now the question is, what does counting up to 12 mean? What does it refer to? What is the importance of counting up to 12 only? My dear, you see the 12 hours in a day. Okay, 1 day means the mark of the clock or the watch are the 12. So it is the 12 months in a year. Okay, so 12, let us suppose 12 hours means 1 day. Let us suppose our life span of 100 years. For 100 years, he wants us to keep quiet for 1 day. 100 years means 1 day. 1 day means will be some minutes or seconds. So for some second, every day, for some minutes every day, we should keep quiet every day for some second. Okay, one thing. How long? Question is how long we should keep quiet? Shortest possible time. And we will keep also for once. Then how to keep quiet? For once on the face of the earth, on the face of the earth before everybody. Let us not speak in any language. We should suspend language. Language is the root cause of the problem. So no language to be spoken. Let us stop for 1 second. For 1 second, let us speak no language. And not move our arms so much. And movement of the arm should be, okay, means silence. Speak, no speaking, no movement. Means these are the activities you can perform. Speaking, language refers to speaking. And listening, no listening. Listen to your heartbeat. Listen to the sound of your breathing in and breathing out. Listen to what is going on in you. Try to know yourself completely. That is not listen to outer sounds. It would be an exotic moment. Exotic means this moment will be full of ecstasy, full of pleasure. When you are, okay, neither in the past nor in the future. You are in the present, trying to know who actually you are. You are trying to listen to the heartbeat. You are trying to listen to the sound of the breathing in and breathing out. You are listening no language. You are speaking no language. You are moving no arm. For a while, it will be the exotic moment. Exotic moment means a type of nasa. Pita gabdi tane ko. You shall be, okay, having no type of tension. meditation reduces the tension. Meditation means once an Englishman was in tension, he went to the Rishi of India and wanted that I want to be tension free. Then he taught him various forms of yoga, dhyan, because dhyan means dhyan, no, means mindlessness. He taught him the technique of mindlessness, thoughtless. Achintayam param dhyanam, dhyanam nirvishayam mana, thoughtless, mindless techniques. Then he said, meditation. Then the Englishman thought that the process name is meditation. Meditation. So he thought that the name of this process is meditation. Since then, we come to know this process of dhyan as meditation. Actually, that is the part of yoga, not complete yoga, part of yoga. Dhyan is the part of yoga, not complete yoga in itself. So it is the exotic movement. What? Without engines. Engine means the source of energy, source of actually creating noise. And rush, no hover the word, no carelessness. Okay, without, we would all be together. Togetherness will be developed. In a sudden strangeness. Okay, togetherness how? Because there are two words, sound and silence. In sound, everybody is different from everybody, because everybody's sound is different from everybody. Okay, but in silence there is uniformity. In silence we are one. We automatically become the part of the vast cosmic form, vast Virat form of Lord Vishnu. In silence we become the drop of water. Oh, we don't remain the drop of water. Drop of water, when mingled in the sea, we become sea. It becomes sea. In the silence, there is uniformity. We automatically become one with God and Almighty. We become the unbreakable part of the universe in silence. Because everybody's sound is different from everybody. Sound, there is variety in sound, but in silence, there is no variety, there is uniformity. So for a while, practice silence, so that we can become the part and parcel of the universe automatically. We can feel. So first of all, in the introspection, know yourself. When you know yourself completely, believe me, you can be able to know others also without their telling you so, without their speaking. So we don't know ourselves, and we try to know everybody. We try to know physics, chemistry. We try to know business study. We try to know Mr. Sivari, Rajveerji, Ranaji. First of all, try to know yourself. That is the introspection. And so it will be an exotic movement. What happened then? What we are supposed to do? Fishermen, those who are fishermen must not go in the cold sea. They would not harm the whales. They must not catch the whales. Stop their activity. And the men who are collecting salt, gathering salt, stop, because during the process of gathering salt, their hands are injured. Don't give injury to yourself and don't give injury to others. So this is okay, the keeping. So in this way you can perform keeping quiet. Okay, dear.